This is a tour of my 10 by 10 building that I just got. Probably wonder what this tractor is. This is a 1973 Wizard hydrostatic, sold at Western Auto. It's 1973. That was black, but I painted it. And it was yellow too. And it was more of that color, right in between the logos. We got a 16 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. It's a good engine. Takes a car battery. It's an EcoCraft battery. $70. Got it for free. All it needed was the points cleaned. And it came with a plow, 42-inch mower deck, and it all works. It's a hydrostatic lift. And I'll do a quick start up for you. And my keys. It says my new camera. Finally got a memory card for it. You might not be able to hear me very well, but here's a startup of this. Nice tractor. Come on. Come on. That's that tractor. Runs really good. All I had to do was clean the points and I got it for free. Had to go to Middleburn. That's Craftsman. You've all seen it. I'll start it. It's running good still. Very good. Nice tractor. Yeah. Messing around with my camera. I can't figure it out. Speeding. Oh, I zoomed in. I didn't know I could do that. But here it is. Starting it with one hand is kind of hard. Yep, you've all seen the Craftsman run. Good tractor. Yeah, that's my 2013 Cub Cadet with a Kohler clone engine. That's my Yard Machines with a Tecumseh that starts first pull every time. That's Craftsman with the Tecumseh. That's a Grand Prix. There's my cart. Quality tractor, or Quality push mower, that's what it's called. Brand Wizard. Weed Eater, Craftsman Weed Eater brand. And over there, John Deere. And around front, there's the Wizard, not the Wizard, the Yardman. But, yep. That cart's pretty nice, so groundwork. Alright, end this video. Like, rate, subscribe, bye.